very long time that I've added any kind of video on my YouTube channel, but trust me, this is going to be a super value packed video for you. As you must have read in the title, it's about how you the viewers can benefit out of how I pack my bag whenever I travel, either on a long trip or on a short trip. It can be a weekend trip, it can be just like a 7 to 8 day kind of a trip. So if you followed my channel, you would have known that I actually travel very light, and that's what is my travel style as well. So I thought with whatever little knowledge I have about how one can pack light, I thought maybe I'll make a little short video quickly for you guys, where I'm going to share 10 tips with you where you can benefit out of this video and plan your packing accordingly and travel light. So without wasting any time, let's just jump into the video. So this is what I have in front of me. It's a super compact lightweight backpack from a brand called Carry Pro. I recently purchased this bag from their website, and I also got this fanny pack, and I'm pretty excited. One of the reasons why I'm excited for the upcoming trip and this video is this bag, because it's a new one, brand new bag that I bought for myself, and I'm going to carry this bag to my upcoming trip to Coorg. It's a 2-day weekend trip to Coorg, and it's a perfect monsoon destination. So very excited. And also talking about this bag, it actually brings me to the first tip of the video, and that's ensure that your bag is lightweight, compact, because it has to be very comfortable on your shoulder when you're traveling, when you are on a trip, and also the storage in the vehicle, etc. is taken care of. So that's first tip, and this makes for a perfect bag over here, and it's a 40-liter bag, which is actually an ideal capacity that you should look for a weekend trip. So talking about tip number 2 here, the main component of your packing is always your apparels, and I would suggest you to follow a +1+2 rule here, which means basically if you're traveling for 2 days, you have to add +1 so that you can calculate total number of pair of clothes that you can carry on your trip. So for example, if your weekend trip is of 2 days, you can carry 3 pairs of clothes with yourself, and +2 means you can carry 2 upper wear, I mean the tops, which can be worn on your bottom. So you don't need to carry extra bottom wear as well for that. This helps you in changing your looks in a day, and it also helps in case of emergency, etc. So tip number 3 is for your night wear, for your swimwear, and in generally for your towel, you can always carry just 1 pair of each, meaning 1 pair of nightwear, 1 pair of swimwear if at all it's planned in your weekend trip, and 1 quick dry towel, which will occupy very less amount of space in your bag. Tip number 4 is always try to carry packing cubes wherein you can easily segregate your clothes versus your raincoats and all other items easily in your backpack. The good thing about this bag is that you can easily stack your cubes inside your bag, and they also have this sideways zip wherein you don't have to reach out for the bottom material from the top. So that gets easier for you to access every cube separately, and you can save your time as well. Now tip number 5 is if you want to carry more amount of items in less space, you can always go for rolling your clothes. Rolling helps you maximize and optimize your space in your bag, and make sure that you always roll your clothes tightly so that you can optimize your space accordingly. The one feature that I really like about this bag is it is designed so thoughtfully that it has a compartment for each and every item that you may imagine. It also has a secret pocket in the shoulder belt wherein you can keep your money, cards safely. So coming to tip number 6, the second most important component of any packing is your footwear. So always try to carry only 1 pair of shoes which is lighter in weight. As the shoes take a lot of space in your bag, try wearing them instead while you are traveling, and carry the lighter either slippers or floaters, etc. in your backpack. Tip number 7 is avoid carrying heavy jackets and heavy raincoats. Instead, I would suggest you to invest in a bag which is not only water resistant but also has a rain cover that protects your bag from monsoons, and you can simply carry a raincoat instead of carrying both umbrella and raincoat. That will save a lot of space for you. Talking about tip number 8, the third most important component of your packing is your cosmetics. So I would suggest you to carry only miniature bottles wherever required, and stick to only those cosmetics that are absolutely required. Also, try packing all the cosmetics together in one pouch so that you can segregate a section in your bag in such a way where it comes handy. Tip number 9 is carry a medical kit which is as small as possible. I know it can be tempting to carry each and everything that you might think is required on your trip, but you don't need to do that. You can stick to the list that I have provided in my description box below and stick to only those items that are required. Also, try to keep it as compact as possible and also keep it in one single pouch for easy access. Also, adding to the point number 8 and 9, you can always use this fanny pack to keep some of your cosmetic items and medical items to keep them handy, so that whenever you require it on the go or on your trip, you can always access it from this fanny pack. Now, last but not the least, talking about the tip number 10, go for a water bottle that is as lightweight as possible. Do not go for a water bottle that holds 1 liter of water. Instead, you can go for a water bottle that holds only 500 ml of water, and you can keep filling your water bottle on the go, as water is easily available anywhere on the trips. I hope you found these tips helpful, and I hope you're all set for your upcoming weekend trip. But before you go, do follow me for more such guides, and do not forget to share, subscribe, and until then, see you in the next video.